up guys, so it's me, the younger blogger, yet again getting you a new and a different kind of a place this time for a review, because normally, as you know, that I have been trying to do something different, like we did a Q&A, we did a top 5, but this time I've chosen the Bombay Cocktail Bar because it's like a lounge bar and they are serving you a different kind of cuisine which is very local again. So eventually we'll land up at this place having a very local food like pav bhaji, misal pav, vada pav and some of the exclusive cocktails. So I'm here today, I'm going to meet the folks out here, and in the meanwhile, y'all stay tuned. Hey guys, what's up? So if you know this guy, I call him Chef Gusto from the movie Ratatouille. What's up, Chef? How you doing?
All good, man.
All good?
Yeah, man.
So today he's sitting over here with me in his own restaurant. Congratulations.
Thanks, man.
So he's traveled a lot. He's been to Bahrain. He's worked with some really good chain of hotels. So today he's opened up this whole lot of new place in Mumbai by the name of Bombay Cocktail Bar. And I'm really keen to know that why have you come up with the name Bombay Cocktail Bar?
See, Bombay, the main thing was for me to promote the local dishes. So Bombay means, Mumbai, the name off lately came in the market. When we were in the childhood stages, that the name was Bombay. So my food concept, everything, it goes with the local food like Bombay, misal, vada pav, drinks if you go, you see kala ghatta and all that.
Okay.
So main concern was giving your childhood memory back to you.
So I want to know, how have you, accomplished that particular aspect of keeping that local flavor in a place like this?
See, my main concern is that people go for try food, but 99% of people go for their regular own food. What they like, they will eat.
Comfort food.
Comfort food. And that's the basic look. If you can give a pav bhaji, which we eat at particular place over there, so they will come for your pav bhaji. Drinks you will get everywhere same. But it's the food part which will give me back.
Okay.
That's the thing. I want to keep it local and simple.
So chef, I see your famous vada pav, and what is this? The tipsy kala ghatta?
Kala ghatta.
Tipsy.
Yes.
एकदम गोला टाइप फ्लेवर आ रहा है मेरे को, एकदम गोला टाइप. That is the idea?
Yes, that's the idea. Local.
लोकल. और अपना ये पाव वड़ा लोकल. ओके. शेफ नहीं खा रहे हो?
Please, definitely.
ऑब्वियसली हरी चटनी है, तीखी मिर्ची है, फ्राइड तीखी मिर्ची है जो खाना पड़ेगा. और अपना ये
लोकल मसाला,
लोकल मसाला, घाटी मसाला. वो टिपिकल फ्लेवर है यार.
That's the thing.
ऑन दिस नोट शेफ, एक सरदार आया है, एक चिकन हेड बनता है.
Definitely.
तो अभी ये क्या लाया?
चिकन
तंदूरी
चिकन. सरदार आया है तो
बनता है ना उसको, तो हाथ से बनता है. सॉरी गाइस, इसको हाथ से बनता है. को काटे चम्मच से वो फील नहीं आएगा.
You can have naan with it.
But so you are serving tandoor item also?
Yes, we have.
And what else apart tandoor cuisine क्या है?
We have a mixed cuisine over here. So tandoor is there, Thai is there, Japanese mix and match sushi is there, continental Italian is there. So basically it's a mix and match menu. But our main focus is to promote local Mumbai food. So we have a different section in the menu for local Mumbai street food.
This looks very desi. So उसका नाम you told me is
Mumbai Smash.
Mumbai Smash.
Yes. So that's a healthy option we have.
It says it's healthy also, right?
Yes, it is. It has bell pepper, celery. It's good for health.
Egg.
Egg white is there.
Egg white is there.
Protein is there.
Protein is there. It's good for health. आ गए. अरे सर जी. How you doing? All good? All good. All good. Long time. All good. अभी 2 डिश खत्म किया हम लोग ने
यार. अकेले
So guys, here is Kushal and Jatin. Okay, they are the partners of BCB, Bombay Cocktail Bar, as we all know it. So these guys have just joined us, and we have some more stuff to eat and drink, so which we will be doing soon. But before that, I want to know, what was your concept or your thought process when you thought of opening up a space like this, or maybe a Bombay Cocktail Bar kind of a place?
See, when we thought about it, we were thinking about a place wherein it would be a go-to place, not like a place wherein I would go once and not come again. So which is the reason why we thought of a name of a Bombay Cocktail Bar. There is a shortage of places which serve a variety of cocktails, which is the reason why we came up with a lot of cocktails which cater to Bombay's taste, which is why we are called
The local.
Bombay Cocktail. Yeah,
The local.
local for that.
Look, so what do you look into out here in this entire concept and scheme?
He is the main part of this thing because.
एक मिनट, wait, let me guess. Main part मतलब पैसा.
I look into accounts.
मुंशी जी.
That's true, man. And operations.
Okay.
And he's a chef, so he handles back office.
Totally. Absolutely. Kitchen
He
is.
handles everything. He handles everything.
I mean, there's a saying which goes like, never trust a thin chef. And like in this case, though, it's completely vice versa. So now let's start with something to eat. So I want to know, what is your one favorite dish and your one favorite dish?
I love to have pav bhaji.
Which I also love because I've had it before. And what about you?
We'll go with the cheese nanza.
Cheese nanza. Perfect. So chef, एक cheese nanza और pav bhaji.
Okay, we will.
Om Saraswati Eki Ji, Om Parvati Eki Ji, Om Naganesha Eki Ji, Om Shiva Shankar Eki Ji, Om Saraswati Eki Ji, Om Narayana Eki Ji, Om Prakriti Eki Ji.
So guys, like we called for the cheese nanza and the pav bhaji, they both are here. And you were suggesting me some cocktails and mocktails, right? So can we call for them?
Yeah, please.
Ge Ashinagan Om Sar Sar Eki Ji, Om Eki Ji, Ganesha Ganesha Eki Ji, Om Shiva Shiva Eki Ji, Om Sar Sar Eki Ji, Om Eki Ji, Ganesha Ganesha Eki Ji.
Your table not have cocktails.
That's his personal favorite, Desi Mojito.
Desi mojito. Okay. Coquito.
Coquito.
Go to the personality.
That you should try it.
Sharabi Aam Panna.
But there is no sharab in it.
Raw mango,
Mango.
and
Starfruit.
fruits. And what is that?
Twisted penicillin.
Twisted penicillin. Okay, first let's raise a toast to BCB.
Those guys.
Guys, to BCB. I believe that there is a very international level performance that is happening here tonight by the Highlight Tribe, if I'm not mistaken, right?
Yes.
Great
Tell me-
highlight.
Greg, right?
Yeah, true.
So what do you, I mean, like, tell me something about it.
So actually in Bombay Cocktail Bar we make it a point to call at least one international DJ once a month. So this month we are calling Greg from Highlight Tribe, and he mainly his expertise is into natural trance. He plays natural instruments along, and he mixes trance music along with it.
Okay.
And being Mahashivratri, we decided why not call
बम बम भोले आई थिंक ये थोड़ा ठंडा हो चुका है ऑलरेडी, हमको थोड़ा और खा लेना चाहिए.
please.
That is
Bolo,
nanza
yaar.
and pav bhaji.
This is nanza, na?
Om Naganesha Eki Ji, Om Shiva Shankar Eki Ji.
Cheesy and spicy. This is paneer nanza, na?
Yeah.
चिकन में भी मिलता है ये. चिकन में भी मिलता है ये.
अच्छा,
हमने वेज मंगाया बिकॉज हमारे पास टेबल में एक वेज है. हर ग्रुप में एक वेजिटेरियन होता ही है. यही प्रॉब्लम है.
You should have pav bhaji.
पाव भाजी ये मैंने खाया हुआ है. इट्स वेरी नाइस मेरे हिसाब से, तो जो मैंने खाया था लास्ट टाइम. अब मुझे देखना है टेस्ट पे कंसिस्टेंसी है कि नहीं.
Eki Ji, Om Saraswati Eki Ji, Om Parvati Eki Ji, Om
Do you all procure your stuff from the farms?
Some of them, like some of the vegetables come from freshly from Vasai, the local nearest farm we have. So we bring it from there.
वहाँ से आता है मेजरली.
Yeah.
Tell me, what kind of music do you all play around weekends?
Normal commercial music. We stick to the basics. People in Bombay like commercial music. There was a phase where people used to like EDM, but EDM is passé now. We stick to commercial music, hip hop. We tweak our music a bit by introducing instruments to it. As in our in-house DJ Cyrus is there. He does percussion nights as well.
Okay, percussion happens out here.
Yes.
Okay.
That's on every Thursday.
We call it Tribal Thursdays, wherein we call Cyrus along with the percussion set, where he mixes music along with his drums.
So it's a fusion of music happening with a
Yes.
fusion of Mumbai local food happening at BCB, Bombay Cocktail Bar, as you very rightly call it.
Yes.
And it's a teamwork which goes in,
Definitely.
right? Because like you said that you have an in-house DJ, even he's an important aspect in respect of
100%.
creating the mood,
Yes.
100%.
right? So guys, let's raise a toast to BCB, Bombay Cocktail Bar.
Hi everybody, my friends.
Now that he started, hi Craig, how you doing?
Very good. It's such a pleasure to be here back in Bombay at the cocktail bar. It's a gorgeous place. It's fantastic. I just discovered it.
Tell me, how does it feel to play in Mumbai?
It's always very exciting. You know, Mumbai is one of the non-sleeping city in the world. It's like moving fantastic. Like
24 hours it's awake, 24 hours. Whatever time you go, it's right away.
Even you go to Bandra, have some good food. Like it's always happening.
He knows the bloody spots also and where to eat also. That's nice. So tell
much
me,
fun.
at the Bombay Cocktail Bar, what are you going to play tonight?
Tonight I prepare you a special set. I will have like some music from Highlight Rap from the band, and I will play you my solo project Greg Highlight.
Om Saraswati Eki Ji, Om Parvati Eki Ji, Om Naganesha Eki Ji, Om Shiva Shankar Eki Ji, Om Saraswati Eki Ji, Om Narayana Eki Ji, Om Prakriti Eki Ji, Om Naganesha Eki Ji, Om Saraswati Eki Ji, Om Parvati Eki Ji, Om Naganesha Eki Ji, Om Shiva Shankar Eki Ji.
Which is a psytrance mixed with a lot of instruments.
So it's going to be all pumped up music tonight.
Oh, I assure you, you won't stay still tonight. No, it's gonna blast. Yes, for sure.
So guys, that was Greg from the Highlight Tribe tonight performing at the Bombay Cocktail Bar.
Yeah.
And I hope it's a very pumped up evening for you and for everybody out here.
For everybody, for sure.
All the
Don't
best.
miss it. One love.
See ya. So guys, this was me at the Bombay Cocktail Bar having their local Bombay taste cuisine, and trust me, I'm not even close to being exaggerating the whole thing, but it was really fantabulous. And if you do not get the same taste over here, I mean, like, you'll not get anywhere else in Mumbai, because it's really very good and hygienic. So if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, comment, share, see the other videos out here. You obviously have to subscribe here in this circle of the logo, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram, The Younger Blogger, Snapchat, Twitter, Facebook, Insta Story, like everywhere. So do the needful. Till then, see you. Take care. Bye bye.